Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. Drink. He likes to drink plain water. Sleep. Babies need a lot of sleep. Wake up. I wake up early in the morning. Dream. I had a strange dream about flying. Work. He has to work late night. Study. She likes to study. Play. Children love to play outside. Read. I like to read before going to bed. Write. She enjoys writing in her journal. Talk. Let's sit down and talk about it. Listen. He stopped to listen to music. See. I can see mountain from here. Watch. They like to watch movies. Feel. She could feel warmth of the sun. Touch. Don't touch to my stuff. Smell. The flowers smell lovely. Taste. This soup taste is amazing. Move. We need to move the furniture. Run. He likes to run in the park.